What?
Ano nang alaga ko? May fever na naman yata. Wait. Oh.
Fever. I don't have fever.
Wait, here. Other one.
What?
How about you? Wait. Oh. Yun na.
Okay.
Yeah, you're normal. Oh, it's okay for you, only shallow. I was sent
only
already to
okay.
mommy.
You are
Hindi
not
pa kasi gising
okay.
sa amo. You take medicine?
Mommy just need medicine.
What time you come back last night?
I know fever.
Oh,
10.5.
10.5? Late na kasi sila umuwi kagabi. Nagaling. Where you have been?
My friend's house.